Yes, guys, welcome to the Harbour Villa. This is Cassia Alata. I'm in front of Cassia Alata. This is also known as bush candle stick. Okay, so this leaf, a lot of you know this leaf, a lot of you know it. So apart from using this leaf for skin disease, maybe scabies, rashes, and all that, eczema, and all that, you can actually use this leaf for so many things. So first of all, let me start with the skin disease. If you are using this leaf for skin disease, all you need to do is get some of this leaf, squeeze it with your hand, and rub it on the affected part after you have thoroughly washed the affected part. That's just that, okay? Then, if you are using it as purgative, there are so many ways you can use it. You can grind this leaf and just take 2 to 3 spoons of it. You can take it like that for purgative, okay? You can also boil it and take for purgative, okay? So apart from that, I want to let you know that this leaf is one of the best liver detox you can ever see. Okay, it's one of the best liver detox that nature has given to us. Now, if you want to use it for liver detox, all you need to do is get this leaf like this, dry it, sun dry it. After sun drying it, you can boil it and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Okay, it will detox the whole of your liver and some other organs in your body. This leaf has been in use for ages. Okay, it has been in use for ages. Okay, so that is it. This is Cassia Alata. This Cassia Alata is very good and nice. Go and try it out. Please share this video so that others too can benefit from it. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video.